Hello friends, today I will show you how to add JavaScript code in a banner according to the banner. So this is my banner. If I open this banner, this is the current banner. I will apply JavaScript code in this banner. So you need to add event. Make sure before add that event, assign the ID like green. Alright, I just assigned a green layer ID on this table. Alright, now you can add the addition. So first of all, you need to know which event you want to apply for JavaScript, like mouse over, then then custom section. Then you need to assign the function name, like all right. Now you can write the code here, like this, and add this banner. When mouse over this banner, then this layer will be hide. I will green layer. All right. Now we can check publish from the current. Now we can check and forward and so that's it. If you want to more event, then you can add as like event, add event. Then there in the built-in event is the mouse interaction and is the touch interaction. But if you want to add the custom code directly, not like use this event, you can write your event, but then you can go to the code view. Then you can write in JavaScript code here according to your need. So that's it. Thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.